Okay, Unik, I wanted to show you where you need to be in order to be completing the assignments here. So you'll see over on the left we have these three different modules. The screenshot you sent me showed me you were in module number 3. You should not be in module number 3 because you have not yet finished module number 2. So hold off on module number 3. If you click on module number 2, sorry, my computer's a little slow here when I'm recording, so it'll take a second to come up. It's being very slow this morning. So after you click on module number 2, you're going to see this. This is slowly coming up. You have the instructions for this whole module, and there are 2 folders for each part. You did part number 1 already, so you need to click on part number 2, and that's what you need to complete next. So if you click, I sent you screenshots of this in the email. But if you click on part number 2, there's specific instructions up here, and it tells you to go through these in order. And then at the end, after you've read these documents, you've watched the video, and you've submit something here. And only after you submit that, then you can go to module number 3. And module number 3 is set up in the same way with a lot of different parts, and you have to go through in module number 3. You have to go through part 1, part 2, part 3. You have to go through those in order, but we'll talk about that later. For now, just know that you need to go back into the poetry module and click on part 2 and complete everything there. All right, let me know if you have any other questions.